Hello, students of Class 6. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya High Secondary School. This video is for Class 6 Physical Science. The chapter what I will continue today is the machines, and in the previous video I have discussed about the various kinds of the lever, but in this video I will start the inclined plane. Okay. Inclined plane. So the inclined plane is a simply ramp whose one end is higher and opposite end is lower. Okay, so what is the definition of it? The inclined plane is a ramp whose one end is higher than the opposite end. Okay, so this allows the things to go from low place to the higher place without that much of the effort. So inclined plane is look like that. Okay, so if this is one inclined plane and you want to travel something to the upwards, so the first way you can go by this staircase and other way is the inclined plane. So you can travel it just like rolling it up, and it is a very easier process, and the energy also means very low. Okay, so but the load has to be moved over a longer distance as compared to the pulling it is vertically. Like inclined plane, like this type of a thing. Okay, so if you want to pull something up to this distance, so this is very shorter and it is actually the longer. Okay, so that is why it is the longer part and it is the shorter part, because it is actually the vertical line. So that is why it actually needs more place, more distance to travel to pull something up from this, the direct pulling up. Okay. So, whether the inclined plane is long or short, the amount of work done still be the same. Thus, an inclined plane does not decrease work, but gravity makes it easier to move an object down a ramp than up that ramp. Okay, so gravity also used in this process. So, the one more very important concept which is actually attached with it, that is the angle of incline. So what is the angle of incline? Like the acute angle that the inclined plane makes with the ground is called the angle of incline or slope. Okay. So if this is an inclined plane, then it will be the height. It is the height of it. Okay, and the length is like the sidewise. So this is the length. So the angle which makes the ground with the inclined plane is called the angle of the incline, like this angle. Okay, so this angle is called the angle of incline. Okay, so there are many use of this. In the slope of the inclined plane is low, meaning that a smaller angle between the ground and the plane, that it is easier to climb up. So like if it is a sharp angle and if this is like that you have to travel the same, but somewhere the angle is shorter and somewhere the angle is longer. So how much the angle actually, how much the shorter angle actually it used to help to climb up easily. Like if the angle is short, then the climbing up is easier. But if the angle is big, then the climbing up is more tough than this. Okay. So the mechanical advantage. Now the mechanical advantage of the inclined plane. What is the mechanical advantage? So the mechanical advantage is the length to height. Understood? So the length by the height will be the mechanical advantage of this inclined plane. So apparently the length of inclined plane is greater than its height. Hence, by applying a smaller effort, big load can be raised. Okay, the inclined plane has a mechanical advantage always greater than 1. This will be always greater than 1. Okay, so now the uses of the inclined plane. So I am erasing this part. So the uses of the inclined plane, like as loading ramp, to load the goods. Okay, it is actually used in many places like in trams, like ships, like for the planes everywhere. The second is as wheelchair ramp, is used for the old age people and the invalid people who are using the wheelchair. Okay, the next is as staircase or escalators, and the fourth one is as conveyor's belt. The conveyor's belt is used in many companies, in many food companies and many marketing companies, as well as is also used in this airports also to give you back the luggage. Okay. So today I have completed this inclined plane part. In the next video I will start with this wheel axle and the pulley. Okay. Till then, thank you.